So this is my tutorial about Kicad, the open source software which can be used to design your schematic and PCB. Most of us will be familiar with Eagle, which is a popular tool that is currently being used for designing schematic and PCBs. But as we all know, Eagle has a licensing scheme, and as per the free license, your PCB size and the schematic pages are limited. So with Kicad, you can overcome these restrictions and you can go on with a fully fledged PCB design software. So I will be introducing you to the various steps through which we must pass through in order to design a schematic and a PCB using Kicad. You can start by creating a new project at your desired location. For that, you have to select New Project from the File menu and browse to your desired location. Say I am going to select my desktop, and you can create a new folder there, and let us name this as Kicad study. So this will be the location where I will be storing my project. So I am going to save my project here. You have to pass a file name there. Let us give it a study. Save your file. So here you can see that it has created two files, which is one for the schematic named Kicad study with an extension Kicad underscore sch, and Kicad study dot Kicad PCB, which is an extension for PCB file. So let's get started with the schematic design. Just double click this schematic file. This will be opening the schematic editor. So in order to place any components here, you have to click this button, which is add symbol button. For the time sake, let us design a bridge rectifier circuit, which is a simple circuit that is used to convert that AC signal from your transformer into a rectified DC signal. So click here. We will design a schematic first and then a PCB for a bridge rectifier circuit. So let us add a connector which will be receiving the input signal from the transformer. So just type connector, CON, that will be enough. You can see that there is a male connector. This one will do for our purpose. This has two pins. This will be receiving the input from the transformer. So let us place this connector here. We will also add some diodes which will form the rectification part of our circuit. So for a bridge rectifier, we need to add 4 diodes. So now the tool that is selected is the add symbol tool. You just need to click on your mousepad. The library editor will pop up. Here type in 1N4007, which is the part name for our diode. This is a general purpose diode that is commonly used in bridge rectifier circuits. So let us add our diode part. Now afterwards we will be needing a filter capacitor. So I am again clicking on the schematic window. So the editor pops up. Type in capacitor, CAP. We will be needing a polarized capacitor that is having a positive and negative terminal. So here this is the polarized capacitor. I am adding that. So we have the capacitor. Let us also add an LED indicator. Okay, so for that we will be needing a resistor and an LED. Type in RES. So the resistors will come up. You can use this one. So that's our resistor. Now add an LED by typing in LED. So we also have our LED. So these are the components that we will be needing for a bridge rectifier. So now let us Okay, we need to change our tool into a select tool. So go to here and select this arrow, which is the select tool. Now I can move each components just by clicking and then drag. So for a bridge rectifier, we will be needing 4 diodes. So what I can do is that just right click on this diode, do a copy, or also you can do a control C. Just do a copy and then do a paste. You can also use control V. So we added one more diode. We will be needing 2 more diodes in order to complete the bridge. So I am again doing a paste, but this time I am also doing a rotation because for the bridge rectifier the diodes are to be assigned in certain priority. So just press R in order to rotate a component. Okay, so I am rotating it this side. So this is the alignment that is needed. So again click here so that it will be placed. Now copy this part and again do a paste. Yes, so we have our system for bridge rectifier. We have our circuit, I mean the placement of the parts ready here. So in this video we have learned how we can add various parts in Kicad and align them as per our needs. So in the coming video we will be explaining how to wire these components together so that we can form meaningful schematics. Thank you for watching.